Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by using Chrome and a working microphone because Google Docs voice typing relies on browser audio. Once done, open your document and place the cursor where text should appear. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the doc. This avoids permission prompts later. Next, click the Tools menu and choose Voice Typing. This first actionable step opens the voice typing control. You'll see a gray microphone icon that indicates readiness. Now you configure the input and language so accuracy improves. Click the microphone icon and select the correct microphone if multiple inputs are available. This prevents silent recordings. Then pick your spoken language and any regional dialect. Google uses this to interpret words and punctuation. To begin, click the mic or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S and speak naturally, pausing for punctuation like period or comma. Make sure ambient. To finish, stop the microphone and review what was transcribed. You must proofread and fix homophones or punctuation that didn't convert. Google Docs saves automatically, but use version history if you need to revert major changes. If voice typing fails, check Chrome's site permissions to ensure microphone access, confirm your operating system's input device settings, and try an external headset if the built-in mic is poor. One key troubleshooting tip: reload the tab and re-grant permission. This often restores microphone access immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.